This is a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. The color of this Ultra Limited is Twisted Cherry. It's a great metallic color out in the sun. It's not really a red and it's not really a maroon. It's kind of in between. The bike is in excellent condition. It has only 4,618 original miles on the odometer. The bike is in excellent condition. Runs very, very well. It's equipped with a 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine. So it has plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to get you and your passenger and all your gear down the highway. Being a limited model, it was equipped with ABS brakes, a smart security system, 2 fobs, 2 keys. It also has heated grips. It has the redesigned Batwing Fairing that has the vent in the front of it to help reduce buffeting on not only the rider but also on the passenger. It has LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light, nice chrome contrast cut wheels, one of the nice features of this Ultra Limited is the Harley Davidson Quick Detached Tour Pack kit has been installed on it. So you can raise the seat, unplug a couple of plugs, flip 2 levers, and in about a minute you can have the tour pack off. And then when you're ready for your road trip, just pop it back on. It's also equipped with the LED saddlebag lights. It has S&S 4.5 inch chrome mufflers. Gives it a great sound. The lights on the back of the tour pack are also LED, so you have a lot of visibility from the rear on this bike. Help keep you safe out on the highway. Nice chrome luggage rack. There is a 12-volt power point in the tour pack to help charge your devices. The seat's in excellent condition. There's no holes, no tears, no cuts. Being a limited model, it has the painted inner fairing. It also has a 6.5 inch boom stereo system. It has AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth, GPS navigation. It has a compartment where you can place your phone or your iPod and plug it into the system, or you can Bluetooth your music from your phone or iPod into the system. You can control it with the touch screen or by the hand controls, whichever works best for you. for a new touring bike for the spring, summer, fall riding season, take a really good look at this 2018 Ultra Limited. It's got a great color, incredible condition, nice detachable tour pack, nice exhaust, super low miles with only 4,618 on the original odometer. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. We can also be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.